Hello learners, welcome back to Homeschooling with SciMa, where maths you're going to learn in minutes. Okay, today I'm going to start with the first video. I'm going to post the first video in Maths in Minutes series, where I'll be taking up grade 9 mathematics, and the chapter which I am taking today is the most important chapter of grade 9 mathematics, that is triangles. Okay, there is congruence of triangles also in that. Let's understand mathematics quickly, smartly, easily, okay, only with maths in minutes. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share to my channel, and in between please watch the video till the end, and in between I'll be giving you some quick tips and tricks and shortcuts for your easy understanding. So let's get started with the topic. Okay, section 1 is knowing what is congruence. Okay, so when I say two triangles are congruent, if I make a triangle, okay, so I have made a triangle here. This triangle maybe name, I will take it as A, B and C. Okay, so this is ABC triangle. If I say this triangle fits exactly on this triangle, so this triangle fits exactly on this triangle. This triangle, let's name it as P, Q and R. So this triangle, if it is exactly fits on this, what does it mean if it exactly fits on that? It is of the same shape, right? It is of the same shape. They are of the same shape and same size. Okay, so the triangles, those two triangles which are of the same shape and same size are called as congruent triangles. So here, so triangle, so these two triangles have become overlapped with each other, so you can see they are congruent triangles. So here we can say that triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent. So how can we write congruency? So we can write triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR because they are of the same shape and same size. So this is the symbol. This is the symbol for congruence. All right. So a quick tip: if one triangle fits on the other triangle perfectly, we say that the triangles are congruent. Okay. So the next section is section 2, that is congruence rule. Okay. So there are 5 standard congruence rule. Number 1, SSS. Side, side and side. Here if we say one triangle we take and one more triangle we take. Okay, so here let's name it as A, B and C, and this is P, Q, R. So here if one side is equal to the corresponding side of another triangle, the another second side is equal to the corresponding side of second triangle, and the third side is also equal to the third side of the another triangle. So here if you see, AB is equal to PQ, AC is equal to PR and BC is equal to QR. Okay, so the triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by SSS rule. Okay, so this is the first congruency, where the sides of one triangle is equal to the sides of another triangle. This rule applies. Second rule, SAS, that is side angle side. So here the triangle ABC, if we take two triangles ABC and PQR. So here this side of one triangle equal to side of another triangle, one more side equal to another side of another triangle, and the included angle. Okay, this is the included angle. That means the angle, you have to remember that the angle is in between the equal sides. So here how can we write it? AB is equal to PQ. Okay, angle A is equal to angle P and AC is equal to PR. So triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by SAS rule. Third rule is ASA, that is angle side angle. Here one triangle, another triangle, we name it as quickly ABC, this is PQR. Okay, so here angle A equal to angle P of the triangle, here angle B equal to corresponding angle here Q of the triangle, and the included sides are equal. Okay, that makes, so here the side is in between the two equal angles. So how can we write? Angle A is equal to angle P, AB is equal to PQ, and angle B is equal to angle Q. So the triangle, therefore the triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by ASA rule. Fourth rule, AAS, that is angle side, and this is the non-included or unincluded side. Unincluded side. Make triangle, another triangle, quickly name it ABC PQR. So here angle A equal to angle P, if angle B equal to angle Q, side is not including inside the equal angle, so side can be any side. Okay, so I can write angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, and BC is equal to QR. Or you can also write maybe this angle AC is equal to PR. Okay, so the triangles are triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR by AAS rule. So this is AAS rule. Fifth rule RHS, that is right angle, hypotenuse, and any side. So if I make a right angle triangle, I quickly make a copy of it. Okay. Okay. So here we name it quickly ABC PQR. So here this is 90 degree, this is also 90 degree. So here right angle, so we have to apply RHS. So angle ABC equal to angle PQR, both are 90 degrees. Hypotenuse, the side opposite to 90 degree is the hypotenuse. Always remember, in right angle triangle, the side which is opposite to 90 degree, the opposite to right angle is always the hypotenuse. So this is the hypotenuse here. So we can write AC is equal to PR. And the side can be either this side or this side. Any of the side you can choose depending upon the question given to you. Okay. So here if I write BC is equal to QR, or you can also write AB is equal to PQ. So by RHS, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by RHS. So the tip is here, it's always applicable to right angle triangle. Okay, RHS rule always applies to right angle triangle only. Okay. Coming to section 3, that is the magic rule. What is that? What is the magic rule here? That is the corresponding part of congruent triangles are equal. So we can write this as also as what? CPCT. Okay. So this is, we always prove the corresponding parts of the congruent triangle equal only once we prove the congruency by any of the 5 rules which I have explained you. Okay. And CPCT, that is corresponding parts of congruent triangles, CPCT helps you to find out the unknown sides or the unknown angles in many of the geometry, that is in this chapter. In most of the questions you have proving questions. So once you prove the congruency, after that if you have to find out the unknown sides and the unknown angles, you can make use of CPCT. Okay. So suppose I have 2 triangles and I have proved, maybe here it's given angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and AB is equal to PQ is given. So if I can write angle A is equal to angle P, AB is equal to PQ, and angle B is equal to angle Q. So by which congruency rule we can say triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR? Which rule it is? It is ASA rule, right? It is ASA rule. Okay. So by ASA rule, this is congruent. After that, if they ask you to prove, AC is equal to PR. So we can directly prove this as by using, we can say by CPCT, these 2 sides are equal, because we have already proved the congruency between these 2 triangles using ASA rule. So once the triangles are congruent, by CPCT we can prove the corresponding sides equal. So because AC's corresponding side is PR, so we can say AC is equal to PR. Section 4, important theorems. So let's learn 2 theorems which is given in this chapter. So the theorem 1 here is angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Construct. So if you make a triangle here, so if you have ABC triangle, okay, if angles are equal, angle B, if angle B is equal to angle C, then the sides which are opposite to these angles, okay, so which is the side opposite to angle C is AB, and opposite to angle B we have AC, right? Then we can say AB is equal to AC. This is the first theorem. Theorem 2, that is converse of theorem 1. Sides, which says that sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So you have triangle ABC. So if AB is equal to AC, if AB is equal to AC, then the angle which is opposite to these sides, angle opposite to AC is angle B and angle opposite to AB is angle C. So we can say that angle B is equal to angle C. That is theorem 2. The sides which are opposite to equal angles are always equal. Hope you understood the theorem. So let's take up a quick example related to congruency of triangle. So in this example, the question says in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, AD perpendicular to BC, then prove BD is equal to DC. So quickly let's make the triangle. We have the triangle here. Okay. So AD is perpendicular. They're telling AD is perpendicular to BC. So our triangle is ABC and AD. D is here. AD is perpendicular to BC. That means this is 90 degree. Obviously, the other angle also will be 90 degree. So here and also they have given you AB is equal to AC. So how do we prove the congruency here? So they are asking you to prove BD is equal to DC, but first we need the congruency. So we take triangle ABC and triangle ADC. Okay, ADC. So here we can say that here we can apply RHS rule here. RHS. So angle angle ADC. So here angle ADB is equal to angle ADC 90 degrees, that is right angle. Hypotenuse, now opposite to 90 degree, this is hypotenuse in this triangle, opposite to this 90 degree, AC is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is given equal, AB is equal to AC. It is given equal in the question. And the side, which is the side? This side, AD is common. AD is the common side between both the triangles. Okay, so you can write AD is equal to AD common. So it is very clearly visible that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. By which rule? RHS. Okay. After the congruency is proved, we can say hence BD is equal to DC, because BD is belonging to triangle ABD and DC belongs to triangle ADC. So the congruency of these two triangles are proved. So these are the corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. So we can say BD is equal to DC by CPCT. Okay. So this is proved. Okay, so always remember CPCT is applicable only once you prove the congruency after applying one of the 5 congruency rules. So let's see a quick recap of congruence of triangles. Congruence means same shape and same size. 5 rules. Some students are always right. This is the mnemonics you can remember. SSS, SAS, ASA, AS and RHS. Some students are always right. Hope all of you students agree to that. You always feel that you are always right. Then the next point we took was use CPCT to find equal parts. So always CPCT is applied only always after congruency. Okay. And the theorems which we learnt: equal angles, equal sides. Equal angles, angles opposite to equal sides are equal, and sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Okay, so I hope you understood the topic today. Quick math in minutes. This will give you a clear picture of what is the concept involved here in the chapter, and you will understand it better in a short and easy, simple way. So I shall see you in the next video. Hope you understood the topic, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share to my channel. I will be coming up with the next chapter very soon. Till then, bye bye.